How to add low power mode to control center on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So let's dive right in. To add low power mode to control center, you'll have to swipe down your notification bar from the right side to access the control center, and then long tap on a blank space, and then you'll find add a control on the bottom. Tap on it, and now search for a battery icon. It says low power mode. Tap on it, and then just long tap on any blank space again. And now to turn on low power mode, you just have to tap on the battery option, and there you go. Low power mode has been turned on your iPhone. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video, everyone.